Hey guys, welcome to UpdateLand and let's copy some backlinks from your competition. Go to Semrush and click on the Backlink Gap feature. Once you do that, enter your primary domain. Semrush shows you some of your top competitors who you can add in a single click or enter competitors manually if you have the websites. After that, click on the Find Prospects button. You can also add or remove competitors anytime on this page using this box here. This is basically the page that we'll be using to steal backlinks from your competition. The best tab gives us the backlinks that you definitely should have. These are backlinks that most of your competitors have, but you do not. You entirely missed out on these and you should build these. The weak tab gives you domains that link to you, but less than your competition. You should start increasing these links if you wish to overtake the competition. The strong tab gives you domains that link to you more than your competitors. As you can see, your competition has 0 links from these domains. The share tab gives you domains that link to all the competitors on this list. The unique tab gives you backlinks that link to only a single competitor of your list, and these are backlinks and websites you should approach. If you wish to filter these backlinks by country, you can simply do it using this filter here. This is extra helpful when you are targeting hyperlocal SEO techniques. Anyway, you can scroll up to get a graphical view of the link authority of all the competitors on this list. That's all. Subscribe if you found this was helpful.